we love kebab.
I like pide. Oh my god.
A lot of food. Food is really tasty.
About Turkish food, I really like a lot of dishes. I like chorba. I like pide. Oh my god, it's so amazing. I like chai, of course, traditional Turkish chai, and also simit. This is my love. Seni seviyorum.
We tried the Turkish classic dish, and we love kebab, and it has various meat like lamb, chicken wings, and also beef. We haven't tried the pottery beef so far, but we would like to have tonight. And I think they're really delicious because it's like the barbecue, but with different specimens on it.
I like a lot of food. Food is really tasty. I like fish. I like fruits. I like meat. Vegetables are amazing.